Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm reading the guarantee from class C, and I will memorize a grammar code, to be and to do in past and in present and past with positive, negative, and interrogative. So first, to be. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. I'm not, he's not, I'm not, he's not, she is not, it is not, we're not, you're not, they're not. I, is, he, is, she, is it, are we, are you, are they. And past, I was, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. I wasn't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we weren't, you weren't, they weren't. Was I, was he, was she, was it, were we, were you, were they. Second, to do. I do, we do, you do, they do, he does, she does, it does. I don't, we don't, you don't, they don't, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Do I, do we, do you, do they, does he, does she, does it. In past, I did, we did, you did, they did, he did, she did, it did. I didn't, we didn't, you didn't, they didn't, she didn't, he didn't, it didn't. Did I, did we, did you, did they, did he, did she, did it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.